Very good.
Good morning, everybody.
Please start.
I am Lakshmikant Deshmukh. I am Lakshmikant Deshmukh, Collector, District Kolhapur, Maharashtra. My project is about social inclusion. There is a large concern about the declining sex ratio in India. There are more than 10 states which are witnessing declining sex ratio, and worst sufferers are like Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Chandigarh government, and western part of Maharashtra, including my district Kolhapur. Here the sex ratio is just 839 female per 1,000 population. So when I as a collector and as a chairman of the committee supervising the PCPND Act, which is meant for enforcing the strict law, the banning of the sex treatment test. But because of the technology innovation, the mushrooming of the sonography centers we have witnessed all over the India, especially in the rural area. There is easy technology, there is capacity to pay. So there is a nexus between the parents and the doctor, sonologist, and it is happening everywhere. Next. 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 So I got 2-3 awards for this NASCOM Foundation Awards. Next. Next. I have shown it to Dr. Abdul. So these are the figures. So I also presented before our ex-president. He also appreciated given recommendation to Government of India. Next. This is the details of the declining sex ratio. It is 927 female for and the worst affected states are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan. And what about Maharashtra? If you can see the figure of census of 2001, the Kolhapur districts in the purple color, it is just 839, it is the worst in Maharashtra. Next. If we don't do anything to arrest the trend of declining sex ratio, what will happen the next this year's census? Next. So nearly half part of Maharashtra will witness the sex ratio below 900. So that is the alarming figure. Next. So why this is happening? Why in the last two census figures, if we see, there is a marked decline in the sex ratio from 1991 to 2001. There are two things. There are two studies conducted by Cochrane Institute of Pune, and they told that more the number of sonography centers, that is ultrasound machines, less the number of female per 1,000 male. They have shown that statistically in the district where there are more than 200 sonography centers, the female sex ratio is less than 900. Example is Kolhapur, Sangli, Aurangabad. I am just referring to Maharashtra. Next. So what is the solution? There was one seminar held by United Nations Population Fund in Hyderabad 2004, and they have given two suggestions to deal this problem. One is to keep close watch on sonography centers, strict vigilance. So there is a government guideline to inspect each sonography centers once in 3 months and check the F form maintained by the doctors, where they have to give the details of the sonography test. But it rarely happens. More than 50 centers are never visited by any doctors in any district. That is all over India. That is statistics. And another is you must ensure that how you can complete ban on the sex treatment test. It is as per the act, it is banned, but still doctor is doing it. So we have to ensure that there is no sex selection test. So for that, the PCPND Act, Prenatal Diagnosis Technology Act, it prohibits sex selection before and after conception. However, the enforcement is far from satisfactory. So I thought, what is the solution? So I found two-way solution that is called as Save the Baby Girl. It has two things. First is SaveTheBabyGirl.com. where the siddharth.com, it is a web portal for online registration of all sonography centers in PONWF. So in my district, more than 12,000 sonography tests took place every month. We have to collect the F form and check and take punitive actions, but it is a very difficult task. So I thought that I should make all sonography center online compulsorily, and each test should be recorded online. So that is the basic concept. So how it technology support it? My web portal is savethebabygirl.com. All sonography centers and radiology centers are made online compulsorily since last 1 year. So online registration of all sonography centers in the district using PIN. Daily online reporting of all sonography tests of all pregnant women. That is the most important thing. They have to report online all the forms which are maintained by doctors for each test. So I can get easy data on daily basis, weekly basis. So I can see which doctors are likely to indulge in the sex selection test. There I can read and I can see the centers. Next. This is a novel concept we have started last year only. Next. It was last year, 2009. Next. This is the home page of my web portal. It gives all the details, sonography center wise, tahsil wise, city wise and district wise. If you can just enter the name of the patient or tahsil, you can get all the details of each test. So in this last more than 12 months, I have data of more than 1.5 lakhs of forms. So I can access taluka wise, sex wise. There are 3-4 commands I have given. Where test, where female came to sonography center and just 1 or 2 daughters, their number and their frequency to visit the sonography centers and their likely outcome, whether it they give birth or it into termination of pregnancy if it is a female. So when there is delivery, it is obviously boy are there, and in case of termination, the sex is the female. So these are the details. This is the this is one given for July 2010. So we have 240 registration centers. Patients number is 46,000, and all the details are there. A patient with above 35 years, their MTP, their delivery, and all the details I have given. Next. Here I am recording what is the MTP rates of MTP and their outcome also. Next. So I have because of this online registration, we are witnessing the number of female increasing. For example, in the month of October, male boys are 122 and against baby girls are 42. November 54 and 87. December is 97, 133. So in first 6 months I have witnessed more girls baby born, and next 3 months again males are born. But over a period of 1 year, the number of female increase from 839 to 901. Next. So birth rate is from 10,000 now is more than 90%. It was just 81%. Now it increased to 90% over a period of 1 year. Next. So with the persuasion and strict action, all sonography centers now become online. We have done periodic inspections. We have sealed 20 centers for 3 months. We have filed 4 cases. Yesterday only we have got a few cases registered. But it is sufficient. It is not sufficient because there are 2 problems. One is under-reporting. For example, like doctor do 10 tests per day and report only 8 on online. And they can do mischief with the remaining 2. So how I can detect? That is one question. And false reporting. In spite of the good health of baby, the fetus, they are showing it is there is some problems, there is some deficiency, making ground for the future pregnancies or MTPs. So false reporting and reporting is rampant in India, all over India, that I have witnessed. These are the 2 tests which I can tell you with the tackle with the my web portal. So I find a second solution. Next. So second phase is of my project is the SIOB. It is Silent Observer. It is a hardware device capable of capturing the details of sonography test by capturing video images. So all video images I can capture. I fit the SIOB machine to all centers. And once in a month, once in a quarter, my doctor go there and selectively they can access the data and see whether the F form they have maintained. It is tally with the video forms. For example, they have shown the uh, age of fetus is 12 weeks. And from seeing the video, we can see whether it is 12 weeks or 18 weeks or 8 weeks. Before 12 weeks, termination took place, they can't show the sex of the female or male. So it is a great deterrent against the doctors. With persuasion and motivation, I motivate all doctors, and all doctors voluntarily out of this scheme. And I have fitted this SIO machine to all my centers in my district. Next. I can show the sample later on. Next. This is a, yeah. So this is an observer. Next. So this is data analysis I have given. This is for up to July. So I entered data of more than 1 lakh data with me. Now it is around 1.5 lakhs. Next. These are the data analysis. The case study Tahsil Panhala. Before SIOB, the PSIB the registration is 189 per month. Now it reaches to 303. So under-reporting and possibly tackled by this device. Next. Next. I'll not take. Next. Because of paucity time, I will not go in my details. But I show the video which we can capture, we can see by doctors. It acts as a great deterrent. So doctor will not dare to determine the sex. Otherwise, by seeing the video by my expert doctors, we can come to know.
These expert doctors are from the district hospitals?
Yeah,
you
district hospitals
board, sort of
and some NGOs. I have appointed 4 NGOs for my 4 subdivisions, and I have given them honorarium. And they will see the videographs and give me expert opinion whether that doctor has tried in the particular case, whether sex is seen or not. So on basis of that and basis on the paper, forms and other things, we can close down the shops. So I have closed 20 such centers.
Great job.
Okay. So it is not possible to show results. But these are the twin technologies I have used. And basically I want to tackle the menace of a significant test resulting in the decline sex ratio through ICT solution. The first is that web portal where we can get all the forms. I can get all the details at the click of the mouse. And because of silent observer, I can have a deterrent on all doctors. They will not dare to determine the sex because it is a proof against them, which I can use in the court of law. I have filed 2 cases on basis of this SIB report. In last 6 months, we are witnessing increase in the female ratio, but it will be a long time. Now, government of Maharashtra has studied this project and they have taken decision to implement throughout the Maharashtra. And with
that was my exact question. What are the other Lakshmikant Deshmukhs are doing in other 31 districts? Are they replicating? So you have answered that question.
Yeah. 3 DC have started this project. They get inspiration from my state. I have offered them free services to them. Yeah. They have started. But now government of Maharashtra is issuing GR for this.
Very great work.
And with the Manthan shortlisting, Manthan awards, we may take to state national.
Yeah,
also.
We can take it to the other
also
states.
Required for Punjab, Haryana and Delhi state also. Thank you.
बहुत जरूरी है Punjab, Haryana, Delhi. Big hands for Lakshman ji, and you can understand his passion for the whole thing because he missed it for his important engagement with CM, but still now he has come next day thinking that he can convey this message. My request to all of you is that send that message. Tell all people you have met in the next 6 months that there is something is going on. Yeah. And you have seen the www.savethebabygirl.com. हाँ, जितना आप email भेजते हैं सबको ये request कर दीजिए ये इसको भेजना है. Myself being a husband of a gynecologist, I can understand fully that what great work you have done. And she has been practicing in northern India for the last 30 years, so we know the menace here. Thank you. Any question? Yeah, please.
No, I have given the job to one magnum opus company who work closely with me. They have developed this machine. Now it's patented. But they can provide to anybody. Now, when the Maharashtra is now implementing it, the cost is now lower, it is affordable. It is just 30,000. And in my district, I have appealed to doctors. They contributed for that. They paid for that SIV machine. So if government decide to do it, for example in Maharashtra, we have more than 7,500 sonography centers, and next 5 years it may be reached to 10,000. 10,000 into 50,000. So just 50, if the government of Maharashtra is investing 50 crore rupees there. So throughout the Maharashtra, we can have great deterrent, and we can, it can help to give the sex ratio next census. Yeah, they are opposing it. Now they have started opposing it, but in my districts, they are with me. Yeah.
Huh. Then Murli can take it last, please.
Sir, in fact, this is a very good initiative, sir. Very good initiative. But two problems which I want to ask you, sir. One thing is that there may be a tendency for the people to go out of the district and to do their delivery and other things, because since you are doing
Yeah.
it only in a one district. That is one issue, sir. Second issue which I would like to ask you, that the follow-up of this issue, so like in this case you are ensuring up to the delivery of a girl child, you are ensuring that the girl child is being
Yeah.
saved. But after the delivery, whether the MMR also you could compare whether the girl child who is born is actually growing to the infant stage. So these two issues I
Yeah.
just wanted.
First, I'll do the question very briefly. It is now implemented by my district. Now my state is now going to implement it by 1st April next year. They have sent him to me, and there is now my state is border to Karnataka. Belgaum is just very near. Now my patients are going to Belgaum district for security test. That is the fact. So when it will implement throughout Maharashtra, at least 90% can be we can ensure. Another is what after birth of baby girl. So online of various schemes like various states. In my districts, I'm launching a new scheme, Lakpati Majhi Kanya. So my child will be a Lakpati. So we are appealing to all my village panchayat and municipalities there, and they have resolved to give rupees 5,000 on birth of each girl child of SC and BPL families. So we are launching on 3rd January, which is the birthday of Savitribai Phule. So in fact, government of Madhya Pradesh has launched Ladli scheme. So on that line, government might also thinking. So I'm ensuring that girl child being born, but after her birth should be welcome. So we are now organizing welcome functions on each Tuesday. That is the day of goddess Mahalakshmi, which is the goddess of Kolhapur district. We are honoring all the parents who are allowed to give birth to their girls.
I think you are really doing a great all-prong attack, and then take 30 great women personalities of the country, make posters in the local language and put them everywhere.
Yes.
So that they know that having a girl child is
Yes,
not
I have also placing my poster with icon of my Tejas is shooter. She got world record.
I think
now,
he
just
has a
now.
question, Murli.
That's not a question. I'm extremely fascinated by this. You may not want to respond to this immediately, but you just said in passing, under pressure you convinced everyone. But I just want to know more about how you managed to convince these people. And one thing is that the people who own machine sonography, but also there must be, like he mentioned, there must be parents, potential parents, extremely annoyed by government's, this program, and they must be extreme. How did you manage that social component?
There are
of
two
it?
sides, supply and demand side. Demand is enormous, 1 lakh pregnant women per year in my district. Supply side is just 250 sonography centers. So I want to tackle the doctors because legally they are not going to determine the sex and disclose the sex. So they are doing it. So this innovation is basically a direct. I want to reform the doctors. They should not dare to determine the sex and disclose to it. Because of this technology, they can identify the sex of the fetus after 12 weeks and they disclose basically for the money purpose. So I am ensuring that the doctor will not do it. So this is the supply I'm controlling. And I just told that for demand side, when patients They also ask because they want to know the birth sex of their fetus, if they have previous one or two girl child. So by motivations, we have launched the scheme, Lakshmi Ali Ghara. So welcome to the girl child. We also took many innovative programs throughout the districts to promote the awareness. Also, we was warned that even you can be also fined, you can also jail if you can in collusion with the doctors. So that message. Another is the financial incentive I'm going to start, so that they can welcome the girl child. So it is a mixture of motivation and penal action.
Thank you. Thank you. I think we have great hands. I think the doubts expressed by the collector, Medak, he is also collector. So he knows the practical situation. Okay, thank you, Lakshman ji.